Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of the Ranger 363V restoration. This is part 25 of the series, I believe. And today we're going to be finished cleaning up the carbs, installing the new gaskets, getting them back on the boat, and hopefully we can get this boat fired up. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now that the carbs are put back together, it's time to get them back on the boat and get everything hooked up. We also went ahead and put in a Group 27 interstate battery because before we were just using a little lawnmower battery to turn it over. So we went ahead, put that in there. We're getting the carbs hooked up, all the fuel lines hooked back up, and then hopefully we'll be able to get this motor running. So we just got the carbs put back on with the new seals. So all that's hooked up, ready to go. We also replaced the membrane things in here that pump the fuel. So we did that. We got the fuel hooked up, and we put it on a bigger battery on a Group 27 interstate here. So hopefully this gets fired up. So we're gonna pull it out. And yeah, we'll see what happens. So we just got the lower unit off, got all the oil drained. Now we need to change the impeller because we weren't getting any suction, so I bet this thing is pretty rough. So we're gonna take it off and get it replaced, and we'll go from there. So here we're installing the new impeller, and this is not the right way to do it, guys. The best way to do is go ahead and slide the impeller down over the keyway and then rotate the shaft clockwise and then push down on the housing, and that's how it will all fit nice and snug, and it's the easiest way to do it. And like I said, I don't really know what we were trying to do. I think we were just so excited to get back on the boat. All right, so what's going on?
Well, we rebuilt the carburetors. Not totally, we replaced a couple of the gaskets that we talked about earlier on. And we made adjustments to the carburetors. It's not bad, it needs some fine tuning, but I don't think it's bad. Actually starts, actually runs. And we're not blowing stuff all over the place like it was a little while ago. We rebuilt their pumps, which I think was the original problem. We rebuilt these two pumps here. This one and this one. The carburetors look great, but the pumps were not. To me, as if the pumps had never been touched. So right now we can get it to start and it actually runs. It doesn't sound horrid, it doesn't sound great, but I'm very happy, extremely happy with it. We've got a good starting base point, I believe. And you know, considering a few days ago we was worried that it wouldn't even start at all, I'm really happy with it. I don't know what else to say about it, really.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
So, as I always say, please help support my son. It'll save me having to support him. So please like, subscribe, and share. I sometimes forget to say that, so please take the time. And one other thing I want to give a shout out. I want to give a shout out to all those people that do YouTube videos. Get out there and try hard and work hard at it. I'm really impressed with some of the stuff I'm seeing on YouTube, obviously paying more attention to it. So those guys that are out there actually doing it, a big thumbs up to you. The guys sitting on their ass complaining about what they're doing, you all need to get out there and do something. You all have a great day. Bye.